All right, well today I got a bunch of these filters to change out, a couple of these things to swap out. Doing an all-day filter change. Yes, that's right, today I'm just a filter changer. So, it is what it is. Let's pop these in real fast. Some of them are already put in the garage. These have never been changed in who knows how long. I work taking care of parts of the house here and there. Now she knows she needs filters. She's gonna order these every once in a while. But I got these in. The bottom piece is okay. Let's check out the main event though today. Today, December 11th, it's 3 o'clock. I don't remember the last time I was here. Somebody said they saw this spinning backwards. Except for there's valves on both sides. So there's no way that this thing is spinning backwards or any water is doing anything weird to it. But I'm just gonna give this a quick check while I'm here. I just want to see how it's still operating since I freed it up, because this is the pump that was stuck. Of course I can't see what I'm doing. All the pipes are friggin' hot. I just want to see how it's operating. It's been a while since I've been here to work on this thing. How long? I don't remember. Some people want to know about some articulate little detail on my video. I wish I could say I knew. Okay. Let's see what my amp draw is on this motor. I think it was like 1/8 rated. That looks pretty good. This thing's on non-stop. It never turns off. So let's... There's the heat on heat. This has glycol in it for outside. Done most of these already. There's some radiant stuff over here. Turn the UV light. Off. This thing doesn't light up. Remaining life. New filter, reset, enter. Yes, it's changed. New filter. I'll close this up for a second. Let me just... couple zones here and there for different things. Just curious if it's heating up. No, this is off right now. Glycol system, that's more outside. Heat for floorways. Snow melt pump relay for some snow melt. Okay, nothing's needed to be on right now. Another plate heat exchanger. A lot more radiant tubing. There's the garage floor. Some pump, bathroom hallway, the mud room. the dog room, and then the garage floor, because the garage floor has got radiant heat. All right. $162. What was this thing rated for? Drawing 162. 1.9. That's perfect. I have no complaints of how that thing's operating. On the boilers I did, this pump is running perfect. I didn't film this earlier, but I just wanted to show any critics or anybody who thought that what I did was terrible by fixing it. Still operating. You can see it's not brand new. It's the same friggin' pump. No way is that thing new. Look it out. 1916. That's perfect. This guy's off. Someone thought it was spinning backwards, but no way could it spin backwards. Not crushed. Perfectly fine. But I mean, I did that. Changing filters. I have a couple more filters to still get to. Hot water coils and radiants everywhere. Outdoor melts here. Indirect tanks for heat. Well, till next time, I'm out.